Welcome to Baz Travels. After driving 14,826 kilometers through 24 states and Washington, D.C., I've seen rocket launches to the Grand Canyon and Hoover Dam. I've explored Route 66, ghost towns, deserts, snow, and beaches on both coasts. From Vegas casinos to Alcatraz, the White House to Hollywood. Join me for a journey of the ordinary and the extraordinary.
Loading destination. Simulation starting in 3, 2, 1. To look around, move your phone or tablet. Click and drag if on a computer or move your head if using a VR headset. Please like and subscribe.
Agathla Peak rises abruptly from the open desert of northeastern Arizona, standing alone against a wide, flat horizon. Its isolation makes it immediately striking. There are no surrounding ridges or gradual slopes. Instead, the rock column appears almost vertical, as if placed there rather than formed naturally. The peak is a volcanic plug, the hardened core of an ancient volcano. Millions of years ago, molten rock pushed upwards through the layers of sediment. The surrounding material eroded away over time, and the solidified volcanic core resisted that process. What remains today is Agathla Peak, rising sharply from the desert floor and dominating the landscape around it. From a distance, the scale can be deceptive. As the road draws closer, the peak grows rapidly in size, revealing steep sides and sheer faces. Its surface is dark and weathered, contrasting with the lighter sandstone and desert terrain that surrounds it. The lack of nearby features only amplifies its presence. Agathla Peak holds deep cultural significance for the Navajo Nation. It is known by the Navajo name as El Capitan, and it features prominently in traditional stories and teachings. The peak is considered sacred. Because of this, climbing is restricted and access is treated with respect. The mountain is not viewed as an object to be conquered, but as a place tied to identity, memory, and spiritual meaning. There are no developed trails or visitor facilities at the base. The land around the peak remains largely undeveloped, reinforcing the sense that this is not a recreational site but a cultural and natural landmark. The surrounding desert is quiet, open, and expansive, allowing the peak to remain the clear focal point from nearly every angle. Agathla Peak also serves as a point of orientation. For travelers crossing this part of Arizona, it functions as a natural landmark, visible from long distances and helpful for navigation across otherwise uniform terrain. Long before modern maps and highways, features like this shaped how people understood and moved through the lands. What makes Agathla Peak compelling is not just its height or geology, but its presence. It stands unchanged while roads, vehicles, and settlements move around it, a singular formation that anchors the landscape and quietly asserts its importance.
Simulation terminated. Please comment, like and subscribe.